iDryclean is a smart solution built for cleaners by cleaners, making customer service, order tracking, and store management simple, fast, and reliable. From the front counter to back office operations, iDryclean streamlines everything, helping owners serve customers faster, manage orders more accurately, and grow their business with modern technology. Whether you're running a single store or a chain, iDryclean gives you the tools to work smarter, serve better, and stay competitive.
But exactly why is iDryclean better than the competition? It's the easiest to use. You get free telephone support. It has the lowest cost of ownership. We have over 30 years of feature improvement history. iDryclean has every feature you need to run your stores with ease and at one low price. One of the standout features of the iDryclean Smart Register is its ease of use. Training you and your clerks is fast and simple with on-screen videos, and a library of tutorials is built in and available without leaving the program. The iDryclean Smart Register offers an intuitive interface that simplifies use and training. With just a few clicks, you can manage orders, track customers, and generate detailed reports, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of errors.
Use smart ticketing and barcoding to reduce lost items and eliminate mistakes. Send text messages and email statements and coupons. With iDryclean, technology is always working for you to improve your sales and streamline your operations.
Customer satisfaction is central to iDryclean Smart Register. For over 30 years, we have been helping cleaners be successful and helping you when you need it.
As your business grows with iDryclean, we don't charge you more. It's always one low price. Start with one station. Add another. And another. Still one low price. Work from home. Or put a computer in your delivery van. Still one low price. iDryclean helps you grow but doesn't increase your costs. We're doing our part to help you be more successful. Success for you means not overpaying for using our product. We offer what our competitors do not. Unlimited orders, unlimited registers, unlimited staff, no contracts, free support. One low price for everything means the lowest cost of ownership for you. Inventory management becomes a breeze with the iDryclean Smart Register. The software provides real-time updates on orders that are overdue for pickup, helping you collect that valuable money owed. The iDryclean Smart Register also offers robust reporting capabilities. You can easily generate comprehensive reports that provide insights into order trends, customer behavior, and operational efficiency, empowering you to make informed business decisions.
Security is a top priority with the iDryclean Smart Register. The software includes advanced security features to protect sensitive customer data and track clerk operations, giving you peace of mind knowing your money is not walking out the door. Integrated credit card processing is a key to any merchant's success. With iDryclean, there are fewer mistakes and a better customer experience, giving you more accurate order processing. Card on file, charge accounts, and monthly billing are just a few of the many benefits iDryclean offers.
In conclusion, the iDryclean Smart Register is an essential success tool for any dry cleaning or laundry business. By enhancing efficiency, improving customer service, and providing valuable tools, it positions your business for success in a very competitive market. Order your free trial and start your own success story today.